Yay!
Hi, I'm Peach. Today let's find more about simple addition with fruits. When we add one guava to one guava, it makes two guavas. If we add two mangoes to one mango, then it makes three mangoes. How many blueberries would you have if you add 3 blueberries to 1 blueberry? It makes 4 blueberries. Next, if you add 4 oranges to 1 orange, that would make 5 oranges. Next, if you add 5 strawberries to 1 strawberry, that would make a total of 6 strawberries. Let's add 6 pineapples to 1 pineapple. That would make a total of 7 pineapples. Let's add 7 cherries to 1 cherry. That's a total of 8 cherries. What about adding 8 apples to 1 single apple? That would make a total of 9 apples. Next up, if we add 9 lemons to 1 single lemon, that would make a total of 10 lemons. And finally, if you add 10 pears to 1 single pear, that would make 11 pears in total. That also brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for joining in today. Now you know how to do simple addition. And for more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. The links for those will be available in the description box below. Bye bye for now. See you tomorrow. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Puppy.